Hello viewers, in case you are just joining us, this is Ojemike YouTube channel, or you can follow us on Facebook on Ojemike Educational Hub. There have been a lot of questions concerning how do I know whether a compound has a pH greater than 7 or less than 7 or equal to 7. That is why I have just decided to make a video concerning that. Now in this video, see which of the following salt solution will have a pH greater than what? Greater than 7. Remember our pH scale. This is our pH scale. Our pH scale ranges from what? 1 to what? 1 to 14. So from 1 to 7 is what? Acidic. And from 7 to 14 is what? Basic. While 7 is what? Is neutral. Is neutral. So if a pH is 7, that pH is what? Neutral. Just example like water. Water is neutral. Now we have acidic or we have what? Basic. Now for us to know a compound, this one you should know that this is a normal salt. This is what? This is an acid salt. This is what? A normal salt, and this is what? A normal salt. This one, since it is an acid salt, it is because of what? The presence of this hydrogen. The hydrogen present in a compound like this make it what? An acid salt. So anything that is what? Any salt that is acidic, any salt that is has the presence of what? Hydrogen is what? Acidic. It means that this one is already out. Because of what? The pH will be what? Will be less than what? Will be less than 7, since it is acidic. Now let's consider this 1, 2, 3 salts. Now whenever you dissociate this salt, it means that when you put this salt into water, what happened? This one will dissociate. This is sodium ion and what? Chlorine ion. This chlorine ion is coming from what? A strong base. Strong base. And since it is coming from strong base, it is what? Neutral. Also, chlorine is also coming from what? A strong acid. Strong acid. And since it is coming from strong acid, it is what? It is what? Neutral. It is neutral. So any strong acid, strong base, when they come together, they form what? A neutral substance, which will have what? A pH of what? 7. It means that sodium chloride here has a pH of what? 7. It's not acidic. It is not what? It's not basic. Just like you carrying your common salt that you use in preparing food. Of course, it's not an acid now. Of course, if you take an acid like that, it will begin to erupt your stomach. So now this one is what? Has a pH of what? 7. Let's go to this one. This one, like I said, if you split this one, we have N2 and what? SO4. This N here is coming from what? It's coming from a strong base. Are you following? It's coming from what? A strong base. It means that this N is what? Is neutral. Is neutral. This SO4, its ion is coming from a very strong acid. That is why you have acids such as tetraoxosulfate what? Sulfate 6. It's coming from a strong acid. And I've told you that strong acid is always what? Neutral. So neutral plus neutral will give you what? Will give you neutral. So the pH is what? Is 7, or a little bit, but it should be in the range of what? 7. Let's go to the third one. I hope you are following the gist. We will have to dissociate this compound. This is sodium triazo what? Carbonate. We have Na. Na is what? Is coming from what? A strong base, which is what? Which is what? Neutral. We have CO3. CO3 is coming from what? From a weak acid. If you dissociate this thing, will give you what? A weak acid. This is a weak acid. Weak acid. But it conjugates. By the time it attaches itself into another compound, it forms what? It has a greater pH. So its pH will now be what? Will increase. Are you following? Because it's a weak acid. A weak acid, it will increase the pH to be what? To go into a basic direction. So our correct option is what? Option D. So any weak acid that is mixed with a strong base, it will have a greater pH. That is a greater pH. A pH will now be what? More than what? More than 7. For more of this video, subscribe to Ojemike YouTube channel. If you don't have any question to ask, drop in the comment section. I will attend to you. Thank you and have a lovely day. Bye bye.